In this video, you'll learn how to create a contact form when using Divi. The Divi contact form module makes it easy for website visitors to get in touch with you. The contact form module comes with input fields, an email field, text area, checkboxes, radio buttons, and drop-down capabilities. You can make fields required to fill out, integrate with spam protection, and customize email notifications and the success message. To add a contact form, you just need to edit the page with Divi Builder. As you can see, I'm already here in the page editor. To add a contact form here, let's just add the row with 2 columns. Now, simply search for the contact form module. On clicking, you can see the contact form has been added here. You can find some contact form settings here, like you can edit or add the fields. The form comes up with 3 fields by default. You can also add the form title over here and see the preview. You can also add a success message here as required. Coming up next is that you can rename the text of the Submit button. Expanding the Email tab, you can add the email address and the message pattern. Under the Redirect tab, you can redirect visitors to a URL once they click on the Submit button. Enabling it will allow you to enter the redirect URL here. Next is Spam Protection. You can protect the contact form from spammers by setting a basic CAPTCHA. You can also use a spam protection service and set the reCAPTCHA. You can even link the module using this setting over here. Moving back to background settings, you can set the background of the contact form. To add more fields, click on the Add More field here. Simply give this field an ID to build a message pattern later on. Don't forget to give this field a title. Under Field Options, you can select the field type from here. You can also configure other related settings. Make this field required, and once done, let's move back. You can adjust the field position as well like this using drag and drop functionality. You can simply explore the settings of a particular field and explore the Design tab as well. Like, make this layout the full width. This would only be applied to that particular field. Moving to the Design tab of the contact form, you can see various settings available here. Under Field Settings, you can set the field background color, field text color, field's focus background color, and a lot more. You can explore more and more settings on your own. You can give the field text shadow as well. More and more settings are available over here. You can also use custom styles for buttons. Set the button text size, button text color, etc. You can even set the button background color. So, this was all about how to add a contact form in Divi. Now, you can also learn some amazing Elementor tricks and tips. I'll link the video in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. Until next time.